नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप। वेलकम टू कॉमर्स लर्निंग। कॉमर्स लर्निंग आपको बहुत कंसेप्ट समझाता है किसी भी विषय के बारे में। सो आई कैन टेल यू ओनली द कंसेप्ट और द जिस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ एनी ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स, दैट इज कॉमर्स लर्निंग। सो प्लीज़ like, share, subscribe and turn the bell icon to get more and more videos from commerce learning. So guys, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। टुडे द टॉपिक इज प्रीवियस ईयर। प्रीवियस ईयर इज फ्रॉम सेक्शन 3 of the Income Tax Act. So income tax is levied on net taxable income of previous year. So it is very important to make clear the meaning of the term previous year. तो हम लोग ये भी कह सकते हैं इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, अ प्रीवियस ईयर इज दैट ईयर इन विच द इनकम इज अर्नड and received, and the year in which it is taxed is termed as assessment year. As the assessment year starts on 1st April of every year, the assessment year starts on 1st April of every year, and it is essential to end previous year prior to the 1st April or till 31st March every year. Previous year is also called financial year or accounting year. So previous year will end when? On 31st of March, and the assessment year is the next year of the previous year. So in other words, previous year is the period maximum of 12 months which will certainly end on 31st of March every year prior to the assessment year. For example, the period of previous year related to the assessment year 2019-20 ended on 31st March 2019. So following points are important in the reference of the previous year. Preceding financial year, previous year for every source of income, separate account year, previous year for newly started business or profession, previous year for new source of income. So there are some exceptions also for the previous year, that is income of non-resident shipping companies, income of persons leaving India, income of persons trying to alienate their assets, income of discontinuing business. So guys, this is about previous year. You can go through my slides and get more information about previous year, but here I have told you the concept of previous year which you can write in your exams, so and can go through my slides also. And again I request you to please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you from Commerce Learning.